In this video, we'll be looking into WAEC agencies, agricultural science, question and answers. So this is a preparation lesson. Now mind you, this is not an expo channel. We don't do expo here. What we do here is that I brought out some possible things they can ask you. When I say possible things, that means anything, any questions you see here, you are just to add it up to whatever you are reading. This is just like a preparatory lesson. You understand? Like AOC. You understand? So please eradicate the mindset that you are watching this video because of expo. Just have it in mind that you are watching this video so that you'll be able to add it up to whatever you are reading, and then just like a preparatory lesson. All right. So now this is for agricultural science. I've done videos for all other subjects. Then this is agricultural science, and I'll be making my next video on the next subject. I only work on science subject alone. All right. Good. Now let's move to question 1. Now, question 1 says that what are cover crops? As you can see, please add this thing to whatever you are reading. I know that you should have been reading something before, and for those of you that have the mindset of examination malpractice, please desist from it. Stop it. Eradicate that mindset, because examination malpractice is an illegal way of attaining success. And if you attain success illegally, the blessing of God might not be on that particular thing. So work hard, prepare, study hard, and pray to God that God should bless your handwork. God should bless your efforts. All right. So now the question one says that what are cover crops, and then other one says we should mention 5 advantages of planting cover crops on farm. So let me just put down solution here. So here now says that cover crops are crops that are grown specifically to cover the soil, and they protect the soil from erosion and leaching for a given period of time. So that's it. Okay, let me write it down. Then cover crops are crops that are grown specifically to cover the soil and protect it from erosion and leaching, so for a given period of time. For a given period of time. Now, look at this. Some student might be asking me that, is it this question that will come out? Is it this that will come out? No. Like I said earlier, I don't involve in the examination malpractice. So I do not have access to your question, neither do I see your question. But all these questions here, based on my experience on all these WAEC, because I've been following WAEC back to back, observing their questions. So based on my experience, these are the kind of things that they usually repeat many times. So I didn't say you should focus on this video alone. Have something you have been reading before, just add this thing up, should in case if it comes out for you, you understand. So, and the other one is that they said we should mention 5 advantages of planting cover crops on farm. So mentioning that, let me just give that number 2. Mentioning that is that it is effective in controlling weed. So that's the first one. And also it reduces soil temperature. Not only that, it prevents erosion. Yeah, you all know that that's one of the major functions of cover crops. It prevents soil erosion and it improves soil structure. So also it prevents soil compaction. All right. Now that's that about that for question number 1. Now before I move to question number 2, tomorrow Wednesday is mathematics. So today we are going to have an online master class. So a virtual online master class for mathematics alone today. So the class is going to start by 7 o'clock in the night. Then it can last for 3 hours, can be a 3 hours class. So in that class now, You're going to use Zoom. So if you're interested, download this app, Zoom Workplace, either on your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store, on your Play Store or Apple Store, anyone. So download Zoom Workplace and sign up. I didn't say sign in, no. I said sign up, and sign up with your Gmail. You understand? So after that, the price for the class, for the master class, is 1,500 naira. 1,500 naira is the class for the master class. So what are the things you are going to do, and how does the process goes is that the first step to do is that you are going to make payment of 1,500 naira. So if you want to pay, you are paying into this account number 8068435809. So the bank is Palm Pay. You are paying into Palm Pay. The name it will display for you is Adegboye Galman. Please ensure you follow this instruction. Ensure you follow the procedure if you are interested. So you make your payment to this account details. Once you make payment, then send your receipt to this WhatsApp number 091 55 10 28 18. Please don't message this number without making payment first. Please follow instruction. It's very simple. Since you are interested, it's not by force. Since you are interested, make your payment, then send the receipt to this WhatsApp number. Once you have sent it, write it under the caption of your receipt that for mathematics, WAEC mathematics master class. Write it there. Once you write it there, then the person in charge of this WhatsApp we respond to you. And then what will you receive? You'll be added to a WhatsApp group immediately after you paid. So after you are added to the WhatsApp group, then by 5 p.m. today, I will send the Zoom ID, like the class link, to the group you are added to. So all students on that group will join the Zoom ID around 7 p.m. on dot. 7 p.m. on dot. Mind you, immediately after you have paid, you have sent your receipt to this WhatsApp number. Ensure you download Zoom Workplace immediately and sign up. The class is a powerful master class for students writing WAEC 2026 mathematics alone, just for one day. All right. Now, what are the things we are going to be discussing in the class? Is that number one, we'll be solving some possible questions they can ask you, be revealing the topics WAEC used to concentrate more questions on, and we'll solve questions around that question. Then I will tell you the do's and don'ts. Using WAEC marking guide, I will use it to explain to you how you should solve mathematics question. And for those of you having problem in mathematics, this class will be useful for you, to be beneficial to you, because of you are going to learn some tactics and some strategies in answering this question. And after this class, after this master class, even you yourself, you'll be happy that if you go to that exam hall, you will go and excel. After this master class, you said you will see that, oh wow, you have achieved something. The class is just a preparatory class, a master class. When I call something master class, you should know that you are coming there to gain something. If you pay for something, you should be expecting something that will be more than the money you paid safe. And the master class, it will be more than the money you paid. Just give it a try. We have done this for chemistry practical and it was top notch. Students who partake in the chemistry practical master class, they really, really, really show appreciation, and it was really, really, really helpful. Like, it was as if we have seen the question before. Meanwhile, we didn't see any question. So the class went very smooth. And in fact, don't let me talk too much. I also made some video on my YouTube concerning livestock farming. In fact, students that watched that video were like, have I seen question a week before? I didn't see any question. Yeah, just based on experience, based on if you are in the system for a very long years, you'll be able to give out the best than those who did not have experience at all in very long years, 10 to 15 years experience. So that's just it. So if you're interested, this is the account details. Make payment, send your receipt to this WhatsApp number, download this app, prepare for the class by 7 p.m. The amount is 1.5. Now let's continue with this question. Now let's move to question number 2. Question number 2 says that we should explain the following term used in agricultural ecology: soil texture, soil profile, and add this one to soil structure too. This texture, the texture of soil, so the profile of soil and the soil structure as well. So for soil structure, it said explain. So if you are explaining something, you can just explain it in your own language. It doesn't mean that you should define. If they ask to explain something, doesn't mean that you should what? You should define. So soil texture is the measure of fineness of a soil sample. So it is also used in it is also used in classification of soil. So when they ask you to explain something, just say anything you know about that thing. And just try to write small small things. Oh. If you are the one writing this in exam, try to write anything related with that thing. That's the meaning of explain. They didn't say define. Define means just tell us definition. But explain means say anything. Even if you say the uses, it's part of explanation. If you say the types, it's just part of explanation. If you say the important, it's part of explanation. If it's anything about that thing, that's what you're going to say. Whenever you hear explanation, meaning that I'm teaching you how to answer questions. Okay, now what about soil profile? So soil profile is the vertical section, of soil showing the various layer, or you call it horizon. Layer or horizon, they are the same terminology. So they now say, so now, okay, I said soil profile is the okay, let me wait. Soil profile is the vertical section of soil showing the various layer or horizon. Thereby, which each layer, each layer is differentiated in terms of color, even texture safe, and I think organic matter. Yeah. Yeah. So that is just explanation. You can add up more. Just say anything around that thing. Just say anything around that thing. So you can also read more. Please note, I said read about soil structure as well. Read about soil structure as well. So another thing they can ask you, that will be in question number 3. This is why I used to bring something that relates with table in this Agric, like table. You will see copy and complete the table. If you are answering the question, now that WAEC now answers the question inside the question booklet, so you are only going to complete it. It was before they will say you should copy the table and you should now complete it in your answer booklet. But now that you have to answer the question inside the question paper and submit both the answer and the question together with it, you are only you are only going to come home with the objective question, but the theory you're going to answer it inside the question paper. Now look at this. Now they said we should complete this table. So we have the crop, is the onion and ginger. What's the botanical name? The botanical name for onion is Allium cepa. That's for onion. So how is it classified based on the usage? So we see onion as vegetable. Yes, yes now. Our mommy even because even our mother call onions vegetable. So some of our mothers, not all though, but onion is also part of vegetable. Tomato is also part of vegetable. All this red pepper is also part of vegetables. So and then we also see it as spicy. Adding it into any something like all these uh, all these bake something like some all these baking stuffs. Not cake, oh, like what do they call this? I'm trying to remember. Sorry. Yeah, meat pie, fish pie, anything they baked. So they add onions to it, so as spices. And then method of propagation. How do we propagate onions? We propagate it by seed. I mean, how do we plant it? So by seed propagation. So by seed and also by the bulb. Yeah. Now what about ginger? Ginger is also the botanical name for ginger is that would be Zinabe. Zinabe. That would be ginger. Ginger is Zinabe. Sorry, it is Zingibe. Zingibe. So ginger is zingiber officinal. I don't know how you pronounce this. You can pronounce it the way I used to pronounce it is officinal. This is botanical name. You can pronounce it anyhow you like, but the major thing they want is the spelling. Ensure you spell it very well. Officinal. And there's one thing they used to say: whenever you write botanical name, you should underline it. You should underline it. I don't know. So now it's classified as spicy, and the method of propagation is through the rhizome. Yeah, through the rhizome. So that's that for question 3. Now let's move to the next thing. So the next thing I have for you is that now take note of these some questions. They can ask you or read about something that is with malnutrition. They can say you should state effects of malnutrition on farm animal. Effect of malnutrition on farm animal. So take note of that question. And also, they can ask you to explain the following terms as used in animal nutrition. Take note of that nutrition very well. Animal nutrition, such as balanced diet, such as maintenance ration, and production ration. So take note of that. And in Agric, based on what I've been observing in Agric, they usually ask calculation. Yes, Agric used to ask something that deals with calculation. So that calculation can be, they can say you should calculate maybe area of a plot of land. So you understand, they can give you, the question can be, you can say it has a length of 30. You can put the units. It depends on the unit they use, something square. So calculate. So they used to give small calculation. That calculation, it just require you to use formula for area, or probably formula for perimeter, you understand, of land. So they used to ask that calculation. So just think that you just must, maybe like area of something can be maybe like length times, but it depends on the question. No, I don't know. But the idea of mathematics usually comes in this, in Agric. Area, perimeter, something like that. Yeah. It's not really something too much, but you will need to multiply. Maybe you just write the formula. So you have to get the knowledge of mathematics on this kind of question. They give question on it too. So another thing is that you read about something that is all this land tenure system. Land tenure system. So land tenure system too, they ask question about that. Even that question usually number 1. The last question around land tenure system. And then there is one bonus mark that if WAEC will give you this question, that means it's a bonus mark to you. They can give question based on all this commercial farming and subsistence farming. Yeah, commercial farming and subsistence farming. Commercial farming for very large people, and then for this or the other one is for your personal farming, like a family, just for your family alone. They can say you should differentiate it. And that question is going to be a bonus mark. So if you come across it, but you must, when there's something is bonus, meaning that it is what you must score. But some students will still see that question, they will still fail it. So commercial farming and subsistence farming. So the difference between that two, one is for large scale, one is a small scale. And also learn about this rural farming. Rural, anything that deals with rural area and the urban area. Rural and urban area. So work around questions around it. I think what again? Diseases, pest and disease control. Pest and disease, yeah, another one again. So pest and disease, please work around that question too. They are most repeated aspect that require kids to repeat. Pest and disease. Sometimes maybe maybe what can this pest cause? Pathogens and germs. So all these pest and disease, you understand? Please work around it. I believe that with all these things I've said in this video, and then with what you have been reading, so I wish you best of luck in your exam. Please do well to desist from examination malpractice. Focus, study hard, prepare, read, and pray. And God will